We are filming in a different room today because I'm doing something a little bit different. We are actually in my bathroom, so I apologize for the echo that's in here. It's like pretty echoey. The reason why we're in here is because, like all of you guys, I am stuck in the house and everything's closed, and so I really can't go about my normal life. And if you guys haven't noticed, my roots are totally insane. So I decided to order some hair dye online, and I'm taking matters into my own hands, and yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. I'm a little bit scared, but I'm also kind of excited, and at the end of the day, it's just hair. So if I totally screw this up, it's fine, right? Right? All right, so what color? I got Arctic Fox in the color Periwinkle. I have never attempted this before. My hair has been platinum blonde for a very, very long time. I did also get some diluter because I don't really want it to be super dark. My goal, the way that I'm hoping that my hair is gonna turn out and all of this is gonna be like a pastel periwinkle kind of wash, so that it still looks kind of like platinum, but with like a periwinkle tint to it. Hopefully that makes sense. So I'm hoping that this Manic Panic, it's called Pastelizer, if I mix these together, you know, that maybe it will come out the color that I'm hoping that it will. I'm using an old Tupperware dish that is probably getting ready to be thrown away to mix these colors, and one of my art paintbrushes to mix this up and apply it to my roots. So let's get started and see what's gonna happen. I'm crossing my fingers that this is not gonna be a complete disaster. First, I'm gonna start by mixing the color. I don't think I wanna use this entire bottle. I don't think I'm gonna need to. Ooh, this is a really, really pretty shade. And I've never used Arctic Fox before, but it smells kind of like grape. This looks like a really, really gorgeous color. And actually, now that I'm seeing this, if my hair comes out darker than it should and it just is this color, I don't think I'm gonna be mad. Okay, I think I'm going to squeeze like half of this container into my Tupperware dish. I'm guessing that that's about half right there. I'm gonna open up this Manic Panic Pastelizer. Fun fact, the last time that I used Manic Panic was when I was in college, and my friend had a bunch of half-used different shades of pinks and purples and reds in the bottom of his drawer, and so I just like used all these different colors, and I had platinum hair at the time, but then I painted like different colored tips onto all of my hair, and my family was not very happy with me at the time, but I thought it looked cool. Okay, so this is kind of what the concoction looks like, and I'm gonna take my brush and just mix this up. So this is kind of the shade that we're looking at here. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair down the middle. I'm gonna put my gloves on. These are so oversized on me. Let's get started. Okay, so that is one half of my head complete. Now let's do the other side. Now that I have all my hair saturated, I'm just gonna like push this into my hair further, just just really want to make sure that everything is super saturated. I think it is because I went section by section and really tried to make sure, but I want to be really thorough so I don't get patchy results. Okay, so now I'm just gonna push this all to the top of my head and kind of like do a cute little bun here. This is just like a conditioning color wash from what I understand. So I think I should be fine to leave this in for a while. I think I'm just gonna leave this on for a while. I think I'm gonna just like go watch a movie and wash it out and we will see where we're at. So to be continued. Okay, and this is the final color. I really like this. Initially, I was of course a little nervous because my hair has been platinum for so long, and I think this is pretty dang close still to platinum. It just kind of gave a really nice, like steel blue almost shade to my hair. I almost wish that I would not have used quite as much of the pastelizer color because I think that periwinkle color was so pretty that it would be nice to actually have more of that color in my hair. But I think this is a really nice gradient to, like, maybe next time I do this, trying more of that color without just going some really crazy color and kind of like freaking out about it. But I'm really, really happy with this. I love the shade. It still feels like, my hair still feels platinum to me. It just has a really nice like tint to it, like a nice bluish purple sheen, which is kind of what I was looking for. This is a really fun little project with Arctic Fox. I forgot to mention earlier that if you guys like this eye look that I have, I will pop up the video where I did the tutorial for this. And if you guys want to, you can check that out. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. You can also follow me if you'd like over on Instagram. I'm at Sargent Pepper. Feel free to chat with me down in the comments if you guys would like to. I always enjoy talking to you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.